Hey guys, I'm Lydia, for those of you who don't know, and for those of you who do, welcome back to my channel. So, today I'm going to show you my basic design for cupcakes, okay? So, anytime anyone orders cupcakes from me, any flavor, well, any of these 4 flavors that I'm going to show you, this is my standard design. So, it's chocolate, lemon, strawberry, and vanilla that I'm going to be showing you today. So, if you're ready to see how I design my cupcakes on a normal basics, let's get into it. Okay guys, so first we're gonna start off with our vanilla cupcakes. The only thing you need, guys, is 2 things besides your cupcakes. So I have some Italian meringue buttercream, which has vanilla extract in it. And I have a 1M open star tip nozzle. I also have some confetti sprinkles here. And literally that's it. So I have it in my bag. And we're just gonna start piping. Start at the top. I got one more around, start at the top. You can see these are how my cupcakes look. I'm not trying to do a funfetti cupcake. I'm not drowning them in sprinkles. All I do is just put a couple on top. Whenever I advertise anything, if it's a picture, it's made as the picture is, which is the way I make it, okay? Because I always use my own pictures. This is how they look now. Plain, simple, couple sprinkles on top, cute, elegant, classy. That's that. Now for my lemon cupcakes, kind of same technique. I have 6 lemon cupcakes here. I have some Italian meringue buttercream, which I flavored with some homemade lemon curd, which I make myself. If you want to see me do a recipe on that, just make sure you leave a comment down below and I'll make sure I put one out for you guys, okay? I also have right here lemon peels. Oh, drop one. But it's not lemon zest. There's actually lemon zest in the cupcake itself and in the buttercream because I put it on top of the lemon curd, even though there's some in the lemon curd. I like lemon, get over it. You just gotta learn how to balance it out correctly. You don't need a whole lot. I would say in these 6 cupcakes and the buttercream, there's only maybe 1.5 lemon worth of zest in it, okay? But I also have some lemon rind, which is candy. This is a M172 piping tip. Again, this is lemon meringue. Well, this is Italian meringue buttercream flavored with lemon curd, okay? So it's kind of the same as the last one. Go down, cover the whole cupcake, and a little ball on top. All right. I have some extra, and that's that. So I have a cupcake here, and you can see the texture. I'll show you some more. And there's enough lemon in it, so I'm just gonna grab a lemon rind and just stick it right on top. And that's how I do my lemon cupcake, guys. So let's move on to the next. Okay guys, so now we're on to chocolate, all right? So chocolate is just as simple as all of the other ones. I keep it very simple. I have some Italian meringue buttercream in here with the round tip nozzle, yet again, the large round tip nozzle. And then I also have some mini chocolate chips and some praline cookies. I think they're called praline. I might be saying it wrong. You know what I mean, those little cookies with the straws that look good. I use these actually, guys, in my chocolate mega cake video. So I actually linked that in the description box down below. The same things I use to top most of my cakes in is what I use to decorate my cupcakes with. So they're very similar and very simple. Okay, and those are just my standard. Those aren't any personalized orders. I have 6 chocolate cupcakes here. Like I said, I have Italian meringue buttercream. Well, it's chocolate Italian meringue buttercream, and I have some of the decorations here. So let's get started. Same as the lemon. Go around the whole thing with a nice circle. End it at top with the swirl. Same thing. But that's pretty much how I do it. So you can see the texture. And then your decorations. So you can choose to stick one of these in the cupcake. Now guys, you can do it with an all chocolate Hershey Kiss bar. This is cookies and cream because that's all I had left from the last video that I did. But that's pretty much how it is. I'm gonna actually set it in the fridge really quick before I lift it because I don't want it to fall. But this is how our chocolate cupcakes came out. So it has a little Hershey Kiss with the chocolate cookies sticking out. Simple, plain, cute, done. All right, guys, so last but not least, let's get into these strawberry cupcakes. So, very simple. 2 things to decorate as well. I have some strawberry Italian meringue buttercream, and I have some fresh sliced strawberries that I sliced myself. Okay, and then I have my 6 cupcakes. All you need, that's all I need to decorate it, to say, hey, this is a strawberry cupcake. I have a 1-end piping tip on this bag. So that's the big star tip. So that's the same as the vanilla, guys. Go all the way around your cupcake. And again, all the way around with a star. This is my strawberry meringue buttercream, guys. With all of these cupcakes, they're really simple, real cute, real easy. And I actually flavored these with the same stuff I use for my cakes. So I didn't show you what the swirls look like, but this is what our strawberry cupcakes look like. And that's our strawberry cupcake. Very cute, very simple, very easy strawberry cupcakes. So you look at it, you know these are strawberry cupcakes. That's exactly how I wanted it. All right, guys.